Breaking trust. Understanding its meaning and impact. Hello, everyone. Today's video is all about understanding the phrase, breaking trust. This is a crucial concept in both personal and professional relationships, and today we'll dive deep into what it means, why it happens, and its consequences. So, let's get started and explore this important topic together. Breaking trust is a phrase that describes the act of violating someone's confidence or belief in you. It's when a person fails to keep a promise, tells a lie, or acts in a way that betrays the trust another person has placed in them. It's important to understand that trust is like a strong bond between people, and breaking it can have significant emotional impacts. To illustrate, let's consider some common examples. Lying to a friend about something important, cheating in a relationship, failing to keep a secret that was shared in confidence, not fulfilling a promise made to someone. These actions demonstrate a breach of trust and can lead to feelings of betrayal and hurt. When trust is broken, it's not just the immediate action that hurts, it's the ripple effect of that action. Here are some consequences: loss of respect from others, damaged relationships, which may not be easy to repair, emotional pain and distress for the person whose trust was broken, long-term reputation damage, as trust is a fundamental aspect of character. Rebuilding trust isn't easy, but it's possible. It involves acknowledging the mistake and understanding its impact, apologizing sincerely to the person affected, demonstrating reliability over time, open communication and willingness to understand the feelings of the other person. Remember, rebuilding trust takes time and consistent effort. Breaking trust can have far-reaching effects on relationships and personal integrity. It's vital to be mindful of our actions and their impact on others. We hope this video has been insightful and helps you understand the importance of maintaining trust in all aspects of life. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.